Welcome to the EdbMails Exchange Server Restore, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails Exchange Server Restore tool offers a secure and efficient way to restore mailboxes, archive mailboxes, and public folders to your on-premises Exchange server from an encrypted backup previously created using EdbMails. It supports AES 256-bit encryption and allows you to restore data using either the default or your own private key. With EdbMails, you can selectively restore emails, folders, or entire mailboxes without data loss or duplication. Its user-friendly interface and advanced filters make the restore process straightforward for both IT professionals and general users. Let's walk through the step-by-step process of restoring Exchange server data from an encrypted backup using EdbMails. To use encrypted backup and restore, you must have your own EdbMails account.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log in to EdbMails application with the email address and password. Select Backup Live Exchange. Select Restore to Exchange Server. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click on Add Files. Select the encrypted backup files for restoration. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Exchange server. Select the required connection options. Click Next to continue. Enter the target Exchange server details. Click Login to continue.
Select the required option to load the mailboxes.
Click Next to continue. Click Start Restore. If you have set a private encryption key for the backup, use the same key for the restore operation. Click Save. Restore operation under progress. Restore completion message. Click View Logs button to get Restore Operation report. That's it for a hassle-free Exchange server restore. Visit edbmails.com today.